together our Monument grill. This is the same one we're doing a giveaway on. So we're gonna test this out and review it and check it out once we get all the pieces together. And it seems like Hope's gonna help us, which is kind of nice because I can't do as much as I used to. So Hope's gonna chew her way through the box. There it is in all its glory. That's the smoker we're giving away right there. And I want to thank Monument Grills. If you haven't checked them out, you should go check them out. They've got 2 meat probes built in, and they got a shelf, and they got a lot. I'm serious. Look how much space there is in this thing. This is a tiny device, but loads of space. You open it up, and you got 2 shelves you can pack full of food. Wow. Now, I don't know if you remember this seasoning. My buddy came over and turned me on to this stuff. It's called Hardcore Carnivore. And it was a black seasoning, looked like ash, and he put it all over the beef. This is for beef, okay? I got this at Buc-ee's. You remember I took a trip to Buc-ee's and I bought all the sauces and all the seasonings and I went crazy. I spent tons of money. Well, this is the beef one, and this is pork, so we can't use this. But right next to it was the red version. And the red version is for pork and chicken. I have no idea what this tastes like, but this is the seasoning we're going with today. I'm going to heavily season this bad boy. I'll show it to you when I'm done. I'm going to also turn this over. There's that layer of fat on this side. I'm going to score it. I'm going to crisscross cut. Not all the way through, just lightly cut the top. Okay, I'll show you what it looks like. As you can see, it's kind of a crisscross grid action. It just lets you get in with the seasoning. You're gonna rub it out. So let's open this up. I'm opening the spoon side of my seasoning. All right. There's that. Get it all. Hold on. New Monument smoker. Hang on, girl. We'll put the meat on in a minute. All right, let's show you around. There's the control panel. It has 2 probes. Has all the temperature, the on-off switch. There's your hopper. Takes all the wood pellets. And here's the most exciting part. This latch here lets you dump your pellets, guys. You know I've talked about how great that feature is. Another brand used to do that, or still does, and it looks like everybody's starting to pick up on this because changing the flavor of your pellets is all that matters. Okay, you got the on the other side here. Oh, gosh, I forgot to tell you about you got the little hooks to hold your utensils. You got a shelf. Hello, it comes with a shelf. This is probably the easiest smoker we've yet to date on the show have ever put together. There's the the pail, excuse me. Yeah, this was the quickest we've ever done it. And look at this smokestack. It's more like a vent. All right, starting to see a slight trickle of smoke. We're gonna let this burn on high for about 20 to 30 minutes. Just give it a good burn in. Then we're gonna bring the meat out and set our temperature. We're cooking at a low temp of 225, so it'll make it through the night. Then when we get up, we'll kick it up to 250 if it needs any more. Oh wow, that smells great. That seasoning smells good, doesn't it, Abby? Whoa. That's my wife. Awesome job, baby. You saved the meal. There you go, guys, right there. We'll be cooking all night. This is the cooler it's been in for an hour. If you don't know how to rest your meat, like a pulled pork or a brisket, you put it in a cooler for an hour. Just leave it, let it set. It's gonna be so juicy. It's not cooperating. There we go. Look at that beauty. How's that bone doing? Oh, yeah, that bone's doing just fine. Look at it, almost all. I could probably shake off the rest of that meat. But you can see the bone came off clean. Wow. Look at that. Big chunk of meat still there. See if I can get this off without burning my hands. Oh, just falling apart. Look at that. That looks beautiful. This came out amazing. I haven't even broke this up yet, but I'm going to break it up. This will be dinner tonight. Leftovers, we're going to freeze dry. That's a whole nother video. We'll show you how it turns out. Let me try this piece right here. Smells amazing. That new rub that I showed you at the beginning of the video, that's all over this, on the crust and everything. It's flawless. We haven't even shredded it yet, but it's flawless. So I'm going to break this up, going to get ready, and then we'll show you how to, in the next video, probably show you how to freeze dry it, or in one of the freeze dry videos, it's coming up. This leftovers is going to go in that machine, and it's going to last for 25 years and smell like this the day I rehydrate it. Very excited. Major success. Monument Grills did an awesome job on this meat. All my concerns have been wiped away. This came out great, but I will be announcing over all my social media who won. They're not getting that smoker. They're getting a brand new one in a box being sent to them at their house, okay? So let me go pick a winner, and you guys have a good one. You take care, and congratulations to whoever I pick. We're going to do it randomly, so I will let you know as soon as I get somebody, okay? And if you haven't subscribed yet, go to Facebook, the official Cooking with Jack group, or community, excuse me. They keep changing everything. Go join that. And then in a little bit, I'll be picking a winner, all right? I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.